Hey, Frank DePaul here, and welcome to our boat buying education program. If you want to buy a boat, we have a comprehensive plan that helps you, educates you, have the right experience. We have recent clients that we've helped save $20, $30, $40,000 on boats, and we help you get the boat that's going to run right and be great for you and your family. We have a comprehensive package that includes boat visits, inspectors, surveys, and we help you get the boat that's going to be great on the water. Also, learning how to dock is sometimes a challenge. We can help with docking, tying lines, and navigating the waters, so you and your family have a great time and enjoy as many moments as you can.